Hello and welcome to another GlobalBox.world tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to navigate the Find Your Product page. The Find Your Product page can be found in the Global Marketplace option. If you have an account with us, just log in. If you are a visitor, make sure to join us as a vendor, buyer, or as an affiliate. Our platform gives users the freedom to locate products within a country, city, and even in a specific postal code. Today we'll be discussing how to navigate the following options and what all information is embedded in each one of them. Let's start by using the Search by Keyword option. Here you can look up a particular product or its type by just entering a keyword that best describes it. Let's say I'm looking for some furniture today. Here the system shows the location of vendors that are selling furniture on the platform. If we scroll down, we can see that the system brings up matching products to the keyword entered. Let's go back and explore other options. In this particular option, GlobalBox identifies the city you're in and shows you products that are available in your city. I'm using the website in Abbotsford, but if you were in Delhi or Shanghai, the website will show your location. If we click on this button, we can see that it gives us different options for products located in Abbotsford, vendors located in Abbotsford. Once we click on the vendors located in my postal code, the system shows us all the vendors that originate from Abbotsford. Coming back, this option also shows us products located in my postal code and the vendors located in my postal code. In the next option, you can see all the products that are available for purchase in the country that you are using the website from. If you are using the website from Romania or China, you'll see your country's name here. If you click on this, the website will show you all the products that are available for purchase in Canada. We can see that the website automatically shows us the products in Canadian dollars and only shows us those products that are available for delivery in Canada. Now we'll look at the Deals and Promotions option. Here you can find featured products by vendors all over the globe. Also, you can see discounted products and some mega brand features. Next is the Advanced Search option. This feature lets you perform an in-depth search for a product. The advanced search, as the name says, is a detailed way of finding a very specific product or product type. You can choose from a number of options on the top navigation bar as well. Another great feature the platform provides is search products with product categories. Here you can see all the different categories that a product can be uploaded as. Let's assume that I want to search for some apparel. I will navigate my way down from consumer products to apparel and footwear. Then the system shows me all the products related to the apparel category. You can even use categories to differentiate between men, women, and kids apparel. Categories feature is useful when you are looking for very specific items. Now let's take a look at the Market Segment feature. Here the platform gives you an option to navigate from different market segments. Market Segments feature is useful for users who are looking for products in a specific segment. It could be a business looking to buy business supplies. Also, it can be a manufacturer looking to sell their products directly to end consumers. GlobalBox makes sure that the platform is useful for users in every market segment. This makes GlobalBox different from the traditional e-commerce concept, as it is not only focused on consumer to consumer but ensures inclusion of all market segments. If we look at manufacturers to business, we can see that the platform shows us all the products that are listed for sale by a manufacturer to a business. GlobalBox eliminates the need for any business to set up their own online platform to sell products to their target market segment. The last option on the Find Your Product page is the Home Page option. This button takes us to a page where you can see all the products uploaded by vendors all over the globe. This concludes our tutorial session on how to navigate and find the product that you are looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining this Find Your Product tutorial.